Toko toru ngā tauira no te kura kōhine o ngā motu kua whakanuia mō o rātou pukenga pakehi. Ko rātou ngā toa o te tohu kairangi i te hui whakamānoa rangatahi kai pakehi o Aotearoa.
E whakakotahi ngā kēmu kāri me te ao Māori.
It was apparent to us that the Māori culture is slowly declining and we wanted to bring it back and give everyone a taste of what our culture is.
Nā whai anō I toko ake te whakaaro o tēnei toko toru ki te waihanga I etahi kāri tākaro. Ko te mea rereke, he meka e pāna ki te iwi Māori kei runga I ia kāri. He whakamāori I te kupu Pākehā, he whakamārama I te āhuatanga Māori. He Māori hoki ngā whakairo.
It's a big honour to win this award because it's the one we were going for and we've put our heart and souls into it, and to win it was a big reward for us.
It's been an awesome experience. There's been so much stress, so much crying, so much laughter. It's been a great ride.
I tae te kura nei ki ngā whiringa whāiti o tēnei whakataetai I te rātau.
Our school is top in enterprise and it was a huge challenge, but we went for it and we ran with it, and that's how we succeeded.
All the designs are made by us, well, made by Lisa, so they're all individual, unique.
Our design.
Kei te haerenga toko toru nei ki te whare wānanga a te rātau, ki te whai I a rātau tohu pakihi. He ta Gardner, te karere.